फर्स्ट अवधेश गौतम जी, अगर मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ सकता हूं, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
जी आ रही, आवाज आ रही।
अवधेश गौतम जी, इस वक्त काफी हद तक चर्चा चल रही है, एक तरह से बहस चल रही है कि क्या आप लोगों को सिक्योरिटी दी गई थी कि नहीं। अभी भी पिक्चर साफ नहीं आ रहा है। सरकार, प्रदेश सरकार कह रही है दी गई है, कांग्रेस के लोग कह रहे हैं नहीं दी गई थी। आप थे उस रात को, उस शाम को कॉन्वॉय में, क्या आपके पास सिक्योरिटी थी या नहीं थी?
परिवर्तन यात्रा, इस परिवर्तन यात्रा 23 तारीख से शुरू थी जी। उस पे हमें बीजापुर जब गए तो उसमें हमको सुरक्षा मिली थी, लेकिन जब हम 25 तारीख को सुकमा जा रहे थे और वहां से आ रहे थे तो इस बार हमें सुरक्षा नहीं दी गई।
सुरक्षा नहीं दी गई का मतलब क्या? बिल्कुल भी कोई सुरक्षा कर्मी नहीं थे या कम थे?
बहुत कम थे, मतलब जो टाउन प्लेस एरिया था घाटी का चालू और घाटी के एकदम आखिरी नीचे साइड में ही केवल जवान कुछ मोटरसाइकिल से तैनात थे।
कितने थे, आप कुछ अंदाजा दे सकते हैं? क्योंकि बहुत अलग अलग आंकड़े आ रहे हैं। हाउ मेनी, कितने थे?
ये करीब घाटी के ऊपर साइड में 7-8 मोटरसाइकिलों में थे और घाटी जब खत्म होती है एंडिंग साइड में करीब 7-8 मोटरसाइकिलों में जवान थे।
बस इतने ही थे, इससे ज्यादा नहीं थे?
जी नहीं थे।
मैं आपसे बाकी आगे भी सवाल पूछूंगा कि आप लोग इतने भारी तादाद में वहां कैसे जा रहे थे और क्या जाना उचित था, बट फर्स्ट लेट मी पुट दैट टू प्रकाश जावड़ेकर। मिस्टर जावड़ेकर, द इनिशियल रिस्ट्रेंट shown by both parties now seems to have crumbled. The gloves are off. You've just heard there Avdesh Gautam, first-hand eyewitness account. He says that there was simply no security provided in sufficient numbers to the Congress party convoy. Is the state, is the BJP now conceding that at least on the part of the state government that's a huge lapse?
Let me, Srinivasan, first tell that we have as a nation have to not only condemn this dastardly coward attack,
yes,
but also must express resolve to fight it out.
Sir, that has already been done.
What? 1 minute. 1 minute. You will not choose words what I want to say.
Okay.
So, my submission is there is already a sitting judge inquiry appointed by the state government, and there is NIA has been ordered to probe the whole details and inquire into the incident. That is, led these two agencies,
sir,
very important agencies.
But that is all late. That is all for later.
1 minute,
sir.
One
for
minute,
all, with all respect,
minute.
that is for later. Would you at least concede?
If you are Srinivasan,
yes,
this is not the way. You give me 60 seconds. I will talk 60 seconds uninterrupted. It's a serious subject.
Yes, it is a serious subject.
How many seconds? How many seconds?
No, sir. You please answer. Don't worry about the time.
No,
You answer, but answer the,
you don't. No.
But answer the question.
No,
the question
I will answer.
The question
I will
is
answer. But I am not. 1 minute. I am not in the witness box, and I am not answering your question. You are not judge. I am not witness. Let me tell you first. Let me explain this. This is not the first incidence of the Naxal attacks. It is happening time and again for last 10 years or more, and not in Chhattisgarh, but in 10 or more states. And their ferocity has increased over the years. They are abducting the officials. They are targeting the political leadership. They are killing the elected representatives. They are attacking the very idea of democracy.
No,
they
but Mr. Javadekar, now with all respect,
1 minute.
No, sir. Now you've had a chance to have your say, and you have not answered the direct question.
I have no chance.
You've had
you answering.
Have. Now you've had a very clear statement there from Avdesh Gautam, who has survived this attack. In all respect to people like him, you must answer why was not security provided in sufficient number.
1 minute. 1 minute. You showed the Chief Minister's interview. This is not the inquiry committee on NDTV. Let me put it very sincerely, and then you can call me off also. I have no regret. It's a war against the country. It's war against the sovereignty, and we must deal as a war. It is not one state issue, it's an interstate issue.
That's not how
the government, the central government must immediately call meeting of all the chief ministers of all the Naxal affected states and devise a coordinated, concerted strategy,
Sir, that
unified
sounds,
strategy
let me bring in Shashi
to deal with
Tharoor.
this mess.
Let me bring in Shashi Tharoor, because the Congress seems to have taken a very different line. They don't want generalities. They seem to want to pinpoint specific accountability. Shashi Tharoor, are you satisfied with this answer that let's wait for committees of inquiry and let's call more meetings?
No.
Or are you expecting more accountability from the state government tonight?
Look, I think very clearly there was a failure, and the failure has to be identified, examined, and people have to be held accountable. That's very clear.
Yes.
I don't think it's in our interest as a nation to spend this time in recrimination and finger pointing. I don't think we are anxious to politicize this tragedy. As the Prime Minister and our Congress Party President have said, this is an attack on our democracy, on our democratic values.
Yes.
It is not specifically an attack on the Congress. This time it was us. Tomorrow it could be some other party.